In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can calculate the area of a trapezium. Looking at the example on the left-hand side, I can tell it's a trapezium because it has only one pair of parallel lines. Identifying the parallel lines is quite significant because the formula for the area of a trapezium is a half of A plus B times by the height. A and B are my parallel lines. H is the perpendicular height between them. So substituting in the information, I know that A is 2, B is 5, and H is 2. I get a half of 7 times by 2. 7 times 2 is 14, and a half of 14 is 7. Because the original dimensions of the trapezium was measured in centimetres, the area will be 7 centimetre squared. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So as before, the area of a trapezium can be worked out by a half of A plus B times by the height. A and B are my parallel lines, and H is the perpendicular height between them. So substituting in the information I know, a half of 5 plus 9, and times it by the height. 5 plus 9 is 14, and times it by 2. So a half of 14 is 7, and times it by 2 will give me 14 centimetre squared as the area.